Hey everyone, in this video we'll be making a vibrant and nutritious stir fry featuring a colorful mix of vegetables, cucumber, cabbage, carrot and spinach, paired with protein-packed chickpeas, seasoned with fresh parsley and mint. This dish is not only delicious, but it is loaded with health benefits, packed with vitamins, antioxidants and fiber. It supports in digestion, it boosts immunity and helps keep your energy levels high. So join me as we create this simple yet nourishing meal that's perfect for any time of the day. It's too delicious, to be honest. What are you waiting for? Go to your kitchen and let's cook this 2-minute dish.